Let me show you how to turn off auto brightness on iOS 18. First thing you need to do is tap the settings icon, tap down and look for accessibility and tap it. Now in the vision section, look for display and text size and tap that. And then swipe all the way to the bottom. You should see auto brightness. And the slider is currently on. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. And if you're okay with that, tap the slider to off. Now in the top left, if you tap back, and look for brightness and display. No, display and brightness. Now if we go down to brightness, you've got the slider, and we can move it up, and we can move it down. You can also, on the top right, swipe down Control Center and do it that way as well. So you've got two ways to do it. And that is how you turn off auto brightness on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe even turn on notification bell to be notified when a new video is live on YouTube. That's all I've got to say. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.